Hello everybody, Drywall Repairman here, just doing a simple advice and tip video on drywall joint compounds, mixing and storing. Number one rule of drywall projects, always keep fresh water. As you progress along doing your projects, even a small patch job, your bucket of water gets dirty. Always clean your buckets and keep everything clean. Fresh water is the number one rule. Keep fresh water because certain muds set up differently with dirty water. Mixing. Sometimes mixing these joint compounds, they sold in the boxes. I like to dump the box in a 5-gallon bucket. 5-gallon buckets, perfect for mixing. Hand mixers, they call potato mashers, work great. If this is all you have, a $10 tool. If you have electric drill or cordless drill, 1/2-inch drill, 3/8 drill, these paddles work the best. $10 paddle and a drill, you can whip this joint compound and make it like a heavy butter, whipped butter, nice and creamy. The creamier mud you get, the less you'll have goobers and clumps in your mud. So always mix your muds before first coat, second coat, and texture. Each coat needs to be thinned down. First coat is pretty much straight out of the bucket, box mud, added a little bit of water. Second coat you add more, third coat more, texture you add more water. You got to mix it between every coat, and when you're done with the bucket of mud, you could just put a little bit of water on top and put your lid on it, and then it stores for a long time. Fits in your truck, fits in your garage, perfect for 5-gallon buckets.